Stop. Don't spend any money on fertilizer until you do this one thing. What's going on, everybody? Chuck here with the channel Dadding All Day. You can check out my channel down in the description box below. Subscribe over there if you want to. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the Next DIY Lawn channel. We have also some really awesome content from a bunch of different creators coming up this season that you'll enjoy. So go ahead, subscribe to us if you don't mind. The purpose of this video is to sort of explain how understanding what your lawn doesn't need and applying what it does need is going to save you a lot of money this season. Now, if you were one of those people that completely turned off lawn care over the course of the winter, first off, congratulations and good for you. Hope you enjoyed your winter. You've just been relaxing, chilling, not worrying about anything lawn care related. Awesome. However, one of the big news stories that you may have missed during the off season is that the price of crude materials to make fertilizer have skyrocketed. And to offset these higher prices, fertilizer companies are having to raise their prices. That's just the cost of doing business, right? Nothing wrong with that. We shouldn't blame fertilizer companies for having to raise their prices because the cost of making the materials that we want to purchase have gone up. Now, John Perry recently over on his channel released a video talking about this very same topic, this rise in crude material prices and how it could or could not affect Greene County Fertilizer. So instead of stealing his spiel, I'll just link to that video down in the description box below so that way you can watch it for yourself whenever you'd like. Now, with all that setup out of the way, let's get to the topic at hand. How can you save money this lawn season with these higher prices in fertilizer? And the answer is actually quite simple. It's to do a soil test and then take those results from the soil test and build a plan. That plan is what's gonna end up saving you money. Now, I know this may seem kind of weird coming from a channel that is for a company that makes and sells fertilizer, but we don't want you just spending money and throwing down fertilizer willy-nilly. That's not going to actually benefit your soil or benefit your lawn. That's why you need to do a soil test and make a plan based on those results. And the cool thing about Greene County Fertilizer, the next line of products, is that there are products for any way you end up sitting on that soil test. If you don't need that much nitrogen, we have low nitrogen products. If you have plenty of potassium and phosphorus, we have plenty of fertilizers with no potassium or phosphorus, or very little phosphorus and potassium. We got micros, we got soil building products. So anywhere you fall on the spectrum on your soil test of what you need, Greene County Fertilizer has you covered. That's it for this video. By just doing a soil test, a simple soil test, and understanding what your lawn doesn't need and applying what it does, that's gonna save you some time, potentially some frustration, and most importantly, save you a little bit of money this upcoming lawn season. If you found this content useful today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below on your thoughts on this very topic, ways to save money with these higher fertilizer prices. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, like I mentioned earlier, go over to my channel and subscribe and check me out if you don't mind. I am doing a soil test on my lawn, and I'm actually going to be comparing the Yard Mastery soil test kit with Spectrum Analytic and just, compare and contrast the two, as well as trying to figure out how to manage my cool season turf in the front lawn, which is turf type tall fescue, and I just did a full lawn renovation last season, in my backyard, which is warm season Bermuda grass. So trying to manage those two different ecosystems is going to be interesting. So anyway, I will see you all the next time I'm on this channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.